Alright guys, let's get this show on the road. In this video, we're gonna draw... No, we're not drawing Accelerate. We're drawing Fastrack. One of Ben's fastest aliens. So basically, Fastrack is basically one of the newest aliens and, well, a new improvement on Accelerate. In the past, most fans believes that and expected that Fastrack might be the new version of Accelerate, or at least his ultimate form. Never got to see that in the show, but you get the idea. But anyways, seeing Fastrack in battle, that's worth something else. In other words, basically, Ben obtained this alien when after the fight against Eon in the Ben 10,000 episode of Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. And, well, seeing this guy in action reminds me about all the times we went to Pole Position Raceway. Definitely worth it. Now, here's the Omnitrix mark on his chest. What am I missing? There's my eraser. That tears it. There we go. There we go. There's the Omnitrix mark on his chest. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's his hand. There's his hand here. And there we go. That's how you draw a Fastrack. Definitely one of my favorites. Definitely one of the best aliens I've seen, and one of the original favorites I've seen. Anyways, that's how you draw him. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and I'd be interested in what character you guys want me to draw next, based on what what's the word? Oh yeah, based on your comments below. I finally fixed that. I need to do the categories thing. Anyways, I'll Stegosaurus see you later, and have a Scootosaurus summer. Blast off.